Practical number 4, SMPS. For this experiment, we require two bulbs of 40 watt. Measure the resistance of each bulb. This is bulb 1.
Use the knob here.
We have to measure the resistance. It is 126.5. Measure the resistance of bulb 2, which is 143.7. This is VARAC, variable AC voltage. First part of this experiment is for load regulation. For the load regulation, keep this VARAC as 230. To give the supply from this VARAC to this circuit, we have to connect these wires to this. Ensure that these two wires does not become short. Also keep this switch off every time you measure the reading. To take readings, connect this to the multimeter.
ENTC and ground.
At first we have to take the reading for no load voltage. Here we have not connected any type of load, so the reading is 12.2 volt. These three are the inbuilt resistance, and here for taking many readings we can connect bulb. This is the load resistance of 107.5 ohm. To give this supply to this resistance, we have to connect turn on the supply and measure the voltage, which is 12.2. For second reading, connect this resistor in parallel. Apply. Turn on the switch and measure the voltage, which is 12.2. As we have connected the two bulbs in parallel, we have to calculate the equivalent resistance, which is R1 into R2 divided by R1 plus R2, 60.65. For series connection, connect the red wire of bulb 1 to the positive terminal. The black wire we have to connect to the second bulb's red wire, and the black we have to connect to the negative of the supply. Turn on the switch and note down the reading. Measured was for the bulbs which we have connected in series. For that we need to calculate the resistance in series, which is R1 plus R2. For further readings, we can use this inbuilt resistor. For that we have connected the negative to the negative terminal of this resistor and the positive to the positive terminal of this resistor. The value of the resistor is 640 ohm. Now measure the voltage on the multimeter, which is same as previous one, 12.12 volt. Similarly, following the previous process, we have to take the readings for 1.8 kilo ohm resistor and 39 kilo ohm resistor. The voltage which we are checking on the multimeter will not vary, will remain same, which is 12.12. The second part of this experiment is for the line voltage. For that, we have to keep one load connected. Do not change the load. We have to change the voltage. Previously, the voltage is 230 volt. Switch on the supply. Note down the reading, which is 12.20. We have to decrease the voltage. Here the voltage is as it is. It is not varying. Decrease until the voltage varies rapidly. at this point the voltage is near
20.
about 20, 19, 20, and the voltage has gradually decreased, rapidly decreased.
This is the last reading.
This is the last reading. We are done with the experiment.